In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a sales report from Square Invoices. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, then go to the left over here, click on reports, click on sales, and click on, of course, the ones you want. So here you have a bunch of different categories. I'm just going to do sales summary right now, but of course, any is going to work. Now, whenever you're in here, you can, of course, see your summary or whatever. If I click on item sales, for example, it's going to give me the item sales summary, etc. And then you can see there's always going to be this export button at the top right. Now you can just click on this export button and you want to select how you want to export. You could do detail or summary CSV, and then whenever you click on that, it's going to basically download that sales report. If you want it as a PDF, you could also click on the printer and you can just select over here, save as PDF, click on save, and that's going to work as well. Now, as you can see, I don't have any transactions or nothing over here. That's why it's empty, but if you do have them, you can filter by them and of course print that or export it as I showed you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.